Today, we're talking about a material you probably see all the time without even giving it a second thought. But what if I told you that this simple, crushed up rock could be the secret weapon for some of your biggest home and garden headaches? Well, let's dive in and find out. Seriously, just for a second, when I say the word limestone, what's the very first thing that pops into your head? I'm willing to bet it's something kind of fancy, right? You're probably picturing giant, grand buildings, maybe even some polished kitchen countertops. I'm guessing it is not a humble pile of crushed rock. But believe it or not, that's what we're exploring today, and it is way more useful than you think. Okay, so first things first, let's get on the same page about what this stuff actually is. So at its heart, crushed limestone is what's known as an aggregate. That's really just a technical way of saying it's a bunch of rock pieces all mixed together. The rock itself is made of calcium carbonate, or calcite, and that's what makes it so special. It's dense, it's hard, and it is incredibly durable. And the way we get it is about as straightforward as it gets. Giant blocks of limestone are pulled right out of the earth at quarries. And then, well, just like the name says, they're crushed down into all sorts of different sizes. Each size is perfect for a specific job you might have around your property. And that brings us to the really fun part. We're going to look at 5 super common problems that homeowners face and see how this one simple material can solve them all. So let's kick things off with a total classic, a real headache for anyone who gets a decent amount of rain. You've got water pooling up around your house, turning your yard into a muddy swamp. This is where crushed limestone is an absolute game changer. You can line your drainage ditches with it, and that stops the soil from just washing away. The bigger stones act like little anchors, holding everything in place, while the smaller ones fill in all the gaps. For any area with heavy water runoff, this is an incredibly smart and efficient fix. Okay, on to problem number 2, the driveway. You know, asphalt might look nice for a little while, but it is so expensive to install, and over time it always cracks. It's a maintenance nightmare. There has to be a better way, right? And there is. Meet the crushed limestone driveway. It is so much more budget-friendly than asphalt, especially if you have a long driveway. Honestly, it just looks better than plain old gravel, more natural. And the best part? It handles weather like a champ, because water can just drain right through it, which means no more cracks. That grayish-white color with the little dark specks is a classic look that works just about anywhere. I mean, just look at them side by side. The difference is pretty stark. Asphalt is this huge upfront cost, and you're pretty much guaranteed to be patching cracks down the line. Crushed limestone, on the other hand, is durable, it's low maintenance, it's a choice that saves you money right away and for years to come. All right, let's head out to the backyard. Maybe you've got a patio over here, a garden over there, but how do you connect everything and give it a clean, defined look without spending a fortune on fancy stone pavers? Crushed limestone footpaths are just the ticket. They add so much personality, and they are ridiculously easy to build yourself. Seriously, you just have to clear out the grass, roll out some landscape fabric to keep the weeds out, and then spread the stone. Plus, it comes in a huge range of colors, so you can find the perfect match for your garden's vibe. Next up, you know that one spot, we all have it, that one patch of the yard where the grass just won't grow right, or an area that's just a total pain to mow and take care of? This is where crushed limestone really shines as a ground cover. It gives you a super clean, polished look in those tricky spots. And here's a little pro tip for you. Always lay down landscape fabric underneath it. It's that extra layer of weed protection that really makes this a true low-maintenance dream. Okay, so our last problem is for all my fellow gardeners out there. You want that perfect, lush lawn and big, beautiful flowers. But your soil, it's just not cooperating. Maybe it's too acidic or just doesn't have the right nutrients. Now, this might be the most surprising use of them all. Crushed limestone is actually a fantastic, nutrient-rich additive that can make your soil healthier. I know, right? Its calcium carbonate helps to balance out the soil's pH and gives a major boost to everything from your grass to your vegetable garden. So we've seen all the cool things it can do. Let's step back and just quickly recap the big advantages that make this stuff such a fantastic choice. Let's just run through the highlights. Yeah, it's durable and has great drainage, but I think its real superpowers are its cost and convenience. It's so easy to install yourself, it's a bargain compared to concrete or asphalt, and you can find it pretty much anywhere. For most projects, it hits that perfect sweet spot between price, looks, and performance. But We gotta be realistic. No material is the perfect fit for every single person in every single situation. So, to give you the whole story, we need to take a quick look at some of the potential downsides. So here's the reality check. If you live somewhere with heavy snow, plowing a crushed limestone driveway can be a real pain. The plow blade tends to catch and dig into the stones. Same goes for raking leaves in the fall. It's just tricky. And depending on where you live, you might find yourself doing a weekly cleanup of leaves and twigs to keep it looking its best. So, with all of that on the table, the big question remains. Is this the right choice for your next project? Let's try to make that decision a little easier. This chart pretty much boils it all down. At the end of the day, it's a trade-off, isn't it? You're getting an affordable, great-looking, well-draining surface, but it comes with a few challenges if you get a lot of snow, and it does require a bit more upkeep to keep it perfectly clean. The best choice for you really just depends on your climate and how much maintenance you're willing to sign up for. And that's our deep dive into crushed limestone. It really gets me thinking. What other simple, everyday materials are out there just hiding in plain sight, waiting to solve our home and garden problems in some new, clever way? Definitely something to chew on. Thanks so much for joining me.